my first pick and gut reassembled. Hey guys, it's Joe with Average Joe Locksport. Well, if you watched my video the other day on picking and gutting my first lock, I did. And it's still sitting right here. But there was a couple comments that it's like, well, why don't you try to put it back together? And I was like, oh. But we're going to give it a whirl. Again, this is sitting exactly where I left it. Let me take the tweezers off and get it up a little bit, get a little closer. It is absolutely probably the cheesiest and the easiest one to do, but it is my first gutting, so I didn't want to start with a Medico or nothing like that. So anyway, there it is. Get my tweezers back over here, and let's start. And again, the video the other day was my first pick and gut, and this is absolutely my first put back together. Alright, so let's start with the spring, and we're going to start on 1, 2, 3. We're going to start on 3. Okay. Okay, we're going to go to 2. Okay, there's spring 2. Pin 2. Okay, spring 1. Okay, so there's pins 1, 2, and 3. Alright, put it back that way. And let's go this way. 6, 5, 4. Okay, so we're going to start with spring 4. Pin 4. Pin 4 didn't make it on the first trip. Let's try it again. Okay, there's pin 4. Alright, last one. Spring 5. And pin 5. Okay, there's that. All right, let's go ahead and do up the core here. There is pin 1. There is pin 2. There, oh, there, oh, pin 3. Pin 4. And pin 5. Alright, let's check it with the key. Everything looks okay there. Alright, now let's see if I can do this without blowing up in my face. Okay, we're going to come down. Okay, put the tailpiece, one of the screws, okay, now see if it works. And there you go, guys. I got it back together and it works. So there is a deadbolt mortar cylinder that I picked and gutted on my prior video, and here it is, reassembled and tested, and it works. So if you guys like what you've seen, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. You have any comments for me, leave them in the section below, and I really appreciate you guys watching the video with me. Bye. If you guys like what you see, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks, guys.